Demolition, written by Sally Sutton, illustrated by Brian Lovelock. Grab your gear, buckle, tie, and strap. Safety jackets, boots, and hats. Zip, stamp, snap. Swing the ball, thump and smash and whack. Bring the top floors tumbling down. Bang, clang, crack. Work the jaws, bite and tear and slash. Dinosaurs had teeth like this. Rip, roar, crash. Ram the walls, bash and smash and slam. First they wobble, then they fall. Thud, creak, wham. Hose the dust, dampen down the dirt. Careful now, don't cough or choke. Wish, splish, squirt. Crush the stone, chip and grind and munch. Make new concrete from the old. Whir, chur, crunch. Shred the wood, split and chop and chip. Turn the sawdust into mulch. Screech, scrunch, rip. Sort the steel, heave and toss and bang. Metal can be used again. Clink, clank, clang. Load the trucks, lift and shift and heap. Drive away the piles of junk. Whomp, whop, beep. Build the hut, tap and twist and knock. Don't forget the monkey bars. Bim, bam, thwack. Join the fun. Run and climb and play. Give 3 cheers, the job is done. Hip, hip, hooray. The end. Oh, hey, cool, we've got some machine facts. Wrecking ball. This heavy steel ball is hung from a crane and swung into the side of a building to smash it. High-reach excavator. This excavator has a long boom arm which can reach a tall building to pull it down. Truck. A truck takes material off the site. Bulldozer. This bulldozer has a thick steel rake for ramming walls. Wood chipper. A wood chipper shreds wood into sawdust, which can then be used as mulch for gardens. Mobile crusher. A crusher grinds up broken concrete, which can be used to help make new concrete. Mobile crushers can be moved. Rotational hydraulic shears. Rotational hydraulic shears can be attached to excavators to cut through concrete, steel, or wood. And that's the end.